Hello little friends! Today we're going to learn about reptile and crawling animal. This is a snake. Snake. Can you see snake? Snake have no legs. They move by slithering. And that's the sound of a snake. Snake. This is a crocodile. Crocodile live near water. They have a big teeth and a long tail. Let's say it slowly. Crocodile. This is a lizard. Lizards are small. They have 4 legs. They love to climb on wall and tree. Say it with me. Lizard. Lizard. This is a turtle. Turtle have a hard shell. They walk very slowly and they can swim too. Turtle. Look, this is a python. It is a type of big snake. Pythons are long and strong, but they move slowly. Let's see it together. Python. Python. This is a gecko. Gecko are tiny lizards. They have sticky feet. They can walk on walls and even ceiling. Can you say gecko? This is a tortoise. It looks like a turtle, but it lives on land. It walks very slowly. Step by step. Turtle. Wow, this is a chameleon. Chameleons are special. They can change color, red, green, yellow. They use their tongue to catch insects. Chameleon. This is an alligator. It looks like a crocodile. Alligators have rounder snouts. They love water